Hello friends, welcome to Aspirants Villa Odia. Today we have discussed about the history question asked in Odisha government computer based test exams. The first question is, who was the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao? The right answer is the Tantia Tope. Okay, so that real name of Tantia Tope is the Ramachandra Panduranga. Okay, how was the leader of revolt 1857? Do you know about this? We have already discussed about the previous year exam, previous year that set that he was betrayed by his friends, captured and executed on 15th April 1859. Okay, अच्छा next option is the Wajid Ali Shah. Wajid Ali Shah was the fifth king of Oudh and the son of Amjad Ali Shah. Then Wajid was the 10th and last Nawab of the state of Oudh in present day Uttar Pradesh. We do know that Nana Sahib. So Nana Sahib was the leader from the Kanpur of revolt 1857. He refused pension as he was the adopted the son of Peshwa Bajirao II. Okay. So then go to next that about here you have seen this the Maratha, the Chhatrapati Shivaji in his period 1627 to 1680. That father name of the Shivaji, that Shaji Bhosle, mother Jijabai, and his guardian Dadaji Kondev, and his spiritual teacher Guru Ramdas, and Tukaram, his son Sambhaji. Then Shivaji killed Afzal Khan, ambassador of Ali Adil Shah, Sultan of Bijapur, in a meeting with his tiger paws. Okay. As in 1665, Raja Jai Singh defeated Shivaji on the Treaty of Purandar. There is any question in exam point of view that Treaty of Purandar was held on which year and between which among these? The Treaty of Purandar was, remember, Treaty of Purandar on 1665, and Raja Jai Singh result, what was the result? Raja Jai Singh defeated the Shivaji. On which year Shivaji crowned that on Chhatrapati in 1670 or 1674, and Shivaji died on 1680. This is the points, important points for about the Shivaji. Okay, let's go to next question. Which religion was followed by King Kharbel of Kaling? The right answer is the Jainism. But here some data about the Jainism. That Jainism founded Rishwanath on his emblem bull. Okay, then Mahavir was born on 540 BC at Kondagram, Muzaffarpur, Bihar, and his father Siddharth and his mother Trishala, his wife Yashoda, and daughter name was Priya Darshana. Okay, Mahavir was also known as Vaisala. Why? Because he was born in Vaisali, so that Mahavir, other name of Mahavir is Vaisala. At the age of 40, he got Kaivalya under a sal tree on the bank of Rajpika near village Jimbika Gram. Very, very important. On which bank of river that Mahavir got Kaivalya. That's the name of the Rajpalika. Okay. Then he attained Nirvana at the age of 72 at Pavapuri near Rajgriha at 468 BC. Okay. If you know about the Buddhism, that is founder of Buddhism as that Gautam Buddha. Buddha means what? Buddha means enlightened one. Buddha means enlightened one. Okay, that Buddha means enlightened one. As other name of Buddha, we also call Sakyamuni. Sakyamuni or Tathagat. Sakyamuni or Tathagat. Okay, so sorry, elder name was Buddha Siddharth. Elder name was Buddha Siddharth. Very, very important. Okay, then Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. So born in Lumbini near Kapilavastu on 563 BC. Buddha was born on 563. Okay, 63 BC. And his father, do you know, Sudhadan, and father name was the Sudhadan. So D and Sudhadan. That was the Sakya ruler. Sakya ruler, and his mother name was the Mahamaya. Mother name was the Mahamaya, was a Kosala dynasty. Kosala dynasty. Okay, and his wife Yasodhara, and he saw that son Rahul. Okay, so that Buddha got enlightenment at Bodh Gaya on the river of Niranjana river. Okay, in Bihar at the age of 35. That first teacher Buddha was Alar Kalma. First teacher of Buddha, Alar Kalma, and that second teacher was Udraka Ramagupta. Buddha died at the age of that 80 in 483 BC. Okay, at Kushinagar. Where is Kushinagar? That at AP. Okay, so other facts about Buddha, that on his okay, that next go next question. Who among the following presided over the Banaras session of the Indian National Congress in 1905? The right answer is the Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Okay, the right answer is the Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Here are the given some years, venue, and president. That in 1895, the Surendranath Banerjee was the president at which section at Pune. Then 1902, that Ahmedabad section. Then on 1905, on Banaras session, that Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the president of INC. In 1907, in Surat, is Raspberry Bose, and also 2 times. 1908 at Madras. Then 1886, that Calcutta. Then 1893, Lahore, and 1906, Calcutta. So Dadabhai Naoroji was the president of INC. Okay, then about Surendranath Banerjee wrote the book A Nation in the Making. We have read in previous class. A Nation in the Making. The Surendranath book wrote the this much. Then Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the editor of the newspaper. That is the Sudrak. Editor of the newspaper. The Sudrak. And Dadabhai Naoroji, we know that about Grand Old Man of India. Grand Old Man of India. Okay, and also he wrote the book Poverty and on British Rule in India. Poverty and on British Rule in India. Okay, so go to next question. Who among the following was the 10th and last Sikh Guru? Okay, so 10th and last Sikh Guru. The right answer is the Guru Gobind Singh. Guru Gobind Singh. Okay, here are the some gurus and on his periods. The first guru is the Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, that on his period 1469 to 1539. Second guru Angad, the 1539 to 1552. Then third guru Amar Das, 1552 to 1574. Then fourth guru Ramdas, 1574 to 1581. Then fifth guru Arjan Dev, that 1581 to 1606. Then Guru Hargobind Rai, sixth guru, 1606 to 1644. Then seventh guru Har Rai, 1644 to 1661. And eighth guru Harkishan, 1661 to 1664. Ninth guru Tegh Bahadur, 1664 to 1675. And 10th guru Gobind Singh, 1675 to 1780. Okay, so that Guru Angad, first option, that the Guru Angad invented that Gurumukhi, that script for Punjabi language, Okay, then Guru Arjan Dev, that do you know that compiled Adi Grantha, compiled Adi Granth, and he was executed by the Jahangir, Mughal king Jahangir. Okay. Then Guru Hargobind got title. Guru Hargobind got title that Sacha Patshaha. Sacha Patshaha. Sacha Patshaha. And Guru Gobind Singh that introduced, do you know that Guru Gobind Singh introduced Khalsa. Guru Gobind Singh. Khalsa, in exam point of view, who is the fifth Guru, or that and who is the last Guru, who is the second Guru, any important that you can remember. Okay. Acha, go to next question. Then where was the Kalamakari painting originated? Kalamakari painting. That the right answer is the Andhra Pradesh. Okay. The first option C, that Rajasthan. Rajasthan we find that Rajput painting. That we find Rajput painting. Rajput painting. Okay. Then also called as the Rajasthan painting. It involved the flourish of royal courts of Rajputana in northern India. Okay. Next, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, we found that Kalamakari that originated in Andhra Pradesh, and also both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay. It was used to portray skin from sacred texts such as Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavatam. Okay, very important that in this language, this Kalamakari, the text that we can find that different skins that like as a Ramayana, the epics, and Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavatam. Okay. Then Maharashtra, that we find that Warli painting, very very important in exam point of view. Warli painting, as in exam we find that Warli painting is originated from which of the states? The right answer is the Maharashtra. Okay. Acha, in the finished examples of the folk style of painting. Okay. Then Odisha, do you know that Patachitra? Very important, Patachitra. Odisha, Patachitra. Okay. Is a traditional painting of Odisha. And Patachitra that is famous for which state? It is originated on which state? That is the Odisha. Okay. Go to next question. Which of the following dynasty patronizing Mahabalipuram group of temple? Patronizing Mahabali group of temple. Mahabali group of temple. The right answer is the Pallava. Okay. So that Chera, do you know that Chera's capital at Bhanji. Chera's capital at Bhanji. Okay. The greatest king of Chera dynasty is Sengu Tuvan. Okay. Sengu Tuvan, greatest king of Cholo dynasty. Okay. It is also called as the Red Chera. Okay. Then Chol also called as Cholomandalam. Cholomandalam or Coromandalam. Capital is the Kaveri Patnam. Okay. Capital is the Kaveri Patnam or Puhar. Okay. That famous king of the Chola dynasty, Karikel. Famous king Karikel. Okay. Pandya, do you know that Pandya's capital as Madurai? Pandya's capital as Madurai. Okay. That very very important. This is the only king that ruled by the women. Pandya king is the only dynasties that is the ruled by the women. Very very important in exam point of view. You should remember this. Only ruled by the women. Okay. So you have seen Narasimhan one or the founded the town of Mamalapuram. Okay. That Mamalapuram, otherwise we call that the Mahabalipuram. Who founded the city Mamalapuram or Mahabalipuram? That is Narasimha one. He defeated Pulaksyan II and took the title of Bhatapi Konda. Okay. Acha. Then Mahabalipuram temple, Kasina Kailasnath temple, Vaikuntha Parimal temple built by Narasimha II. Okay. Now let's go to next question. Which of the following is the birthplace of Saint Vallabhacharya? Birthplace of Saint Vallabhacharya, the reformer and the founder of Vallabh sect. First question: who was the founder of Vallabh sect? I answer the Vallabhacharya. Then question will be who which of the following is the birthplace of Saint Vallabhacharya? Birthplace of Saint Vallabhacharya. The right answer is the Champaran. Okay, right answer is the Champaran. Dekho, you have seen Vallabhacharya, that the do you see this picture that the worship Lord Krishna? Okay. Vallabhacharya period 1749 to 1531 and worship Lord Krishna. Okay, as on his quote put Krishna Devarai. Then he was the founder of Sudhavadita. He was founder of Sudhavadita and he promoted the philosophy of Pushti Marga. He promoted the philosophy of Pushti Marga. There is something about the Vallabhacharya. Okay, acha, go to next question. Which of the following kingdom was founded by Harihar and Buka? In previous class also we discussed these questions. So in which of the following kingdom was founded by Harihar Buka? The right answer is the kingdom of Vijayanagara. Kingdom of Vijayanagara. Okay. Pandya, that capital Madurai. Okay, then kingdom Vijayanagara. Kingdom Vijayanagara 1336 to 1580. Founded in 1336. Harihar and Buka. That capital Vijayanagar on the banks of Tungabhadra river. Very important question, that that Vijayanagar is situated on the banks of Dash, on the banks of Tungabhadra, on the banks of Tungabhadra. Okay. With the help of Saint Vidyaranya, with the help of Saint Vidyaranya. Then Harihar and Buka was the revenue inspector of Kakatiya ruler Pratap Rudradev II of Rangal. Who are the Harihar Buka? They were the revenue inspector of Kakatiya ruler, that Pratap Rudradev II. Okay. Then they were bought by Muhammad bin Tughlaq, converted to Islam, and were sent to south to control rebellion, but motivated by Bhakti Saint Vidyaranya. देखो ये कौन कही जे कि that Harihar and Buka, who brought Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Muhammad bin Tughlaq brought Harihar Buka, that why converted to Islam and were sent to south to control revolution, but they are not converted to Islam. They are motivated by Bhakti Saint Vidyaranya. They are motivated by the Saint Bhakti Saint Vidyaranya. Okay, also interesting facts. Go to next question. Which of the following are the capital of King Kharavela? Capital of King Kharavela. Okay, the right answer is the Odisha Kalinga Nagar. Okay, Kalinga Nagar, Kharavela was the king of Kalinga, present day Odisha. Okay, acha. Other name of Odisha, then କହିବା ତାହେଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଶା କ'ଣ ଉଡ୍ର, ଉତ୍କଳ. Okay, ଉଡ୍ର, ଉତ୍କଳ, କଳିଙ୍ଗ. As question, he ruled during the 2nd century BCE. That Kharavela was the famous ruler of Chedi dynasty. Very, very important. That Kharavela belongs to which dynasty? Kharavela belongs to Chedi dynasty. Okay. The primary source of the Kharavela is the Hathi inscription. In exam, that point of question, that Hathi, that on which period that we found that Hathi inscription, that the King Kharavela. Okay. And Kharavela followed of which religion? Kharavela followed Jainism. Okay. Kharavela followed Jainism. Okay. Go to next question. Who among the following was the founder of Lingayat movement? Lingayat movement in Karnataka. Okay, the right answer is the Basava. With Basava, the tradition of Lingayatism is known as to have been founded by social reformer and philosopher Basavana in 12th century Karnataka. Okay, the Lingayats celebrate anniversary Jayanti of major religion leaders of their sect as well as Hindu festival. ଯେମିତି ଆମର ହିନ୍ଦୁ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କ'ଣ ସଚା ଶିବରାତ୍ରି, ଗଣେଶ ଚତୁର୍ଥୀ, ସେମିତି ବି ଲିଙ୍ଗାୟତ ମାନେ ବି ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି, ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ଲିଡର ସେମାନେ ବି ସେଲିବ୍ରେଟ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ଆନିଭର୍ସରିଜ୍. Then next option, that Ramanuja, that was belongs to Bhakti movement. रामानुज भक्ति मूवमेंट ओके ही टोल्ड द वे ऑफ मोक्ष लाइज थ्रो कर्म ज्ञान एंड भक्ति से कौन कहते जे कि वे ऑफ मोक्ष केमिति आम मोक्ष पाई परबा केमिति कौन ना कि वेज लाइज थ्रो कर्म ओके देन कर्म देन ज्ञान कर्म ज्ञान एंड भक्ति ओके ये जो तीनटा जिनस माध्यम रे कौन पाई परबा आम मोक्ष पाई परबा कौन पाई परबा आम मोक्ष पाई परबा ओके अच्छा गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन where is the shore temple where is the shore temple of Mahabalipuram located shore temple of Mahabalipuram okay so that right answer is the Tamil Nadu you have seen this picture that the Mahabalipuram that shore temple the Tamil Nadu shore temple was constructed by King Rajasima it is a good example of the first phase of the structural temples constructed in the Dravidian style very important that in shore temple is constructed on what type of architecture that the Dravidian style of architecture okay this was a busy fort during the reign of Narasimha Varman II it was two shrines dedicated to Vishnu and Shiva okay that facing the east and west okay Vishnu and Shiva that kon man bhagwan puja kande eti jone facing korchon east another facing west the shore temple is situated at Tamil Nadu okay belongs to the Dravidian style of architecture go to next question where did Indian National Congress split in 1907 okay so INC split where the right answer is the Surat देखो the INC split in two groups one is the extreme another is the moderate the extreme were led by Lala Lajpat Rai Bal Gangadhar Tilak Bipin Chandra Pal Aurobindo Ghosh Chakraborty Bose T Prakasa Chidambaram Pillai and moderated by the Gopal Krishna Gokhale very important exam point view that in 1907 that on where INC split that the right answer is the Surat okay and who are the two groups that one is the extremist another moderate and who are the leaders belongs to extremist and belongs to moderate okay so go to next question the famous Ellora caves situated on very easy question on which state the right answer is the Ellora caves Maharashtra okay so Maharashtra Ellora is UNESCO United Nations UNESCO United Nations Educational Scientific Cultural and organization okay that the Aurangabad district of Maharashtra India that it was built during 757-783 by Krishna I who was the uncle of Danti Durga do you know that founder of Rashtrakuta okay acha she kole Ellora kept situated on Maharashtra okay go to next question who among the following lead the Bardoli Satyagraha okay the right answer is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel do you know that the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the Iron Man of India was a freedom fighter and a social reformer from Gujarat belongs to Gujarat he started Khed Satyagraha in 1918 and fought for the rights of peasants okay in Bardoli Satyagraha he was honored the title Sardar in 1928 kebe paithile 1928 re Sardar paithile hela 1928 he was the first national leader to be arrested during the civil disobedience movement civil disobedience movement okay do you know that Mahatma Gandhi Jawaharlal Nehru about this Mahatma Gandhi wrote a book My Experience with Truth okay and also Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the book so things so who among the following lead the Bardoli Satyagraha ke lead nahi na ki Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel okay so that in comment section do you that in comment section that Jawaharlal Nehru wrote which book. Jawaharlal Nehru wrote which book. You should give your views about the comment section. Okay, next class next पढ़िबा. Thank you.